Hello, everyone. Today, my child and I went out for a walk in such beautiful weather. I am Leo's mom, and moments like these mean so much to us. There was fog outside, soft and calm, as if nature gently wrapped us in silence. It was warm enough, the air felt light, and every step brought a feeling of peace. We walked slowly, enjoying the moment, talking, smiling, simply being together. Later, we went to the hill to slide and feel that pure joy and freedom that only childhood brings. How wonderful it is when nature is full of change, winter and sunshine, rain and fog. Everything is different, yet everything is beautiful in its own way. This diversity reminds us to appreciate every moment of life.